Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using Sure Do Love You. It is a new stamp set from the Occasions catalog. It is also my featured stamp for this month, so if you order this stamp set through my online store, you will get the supplies to make 6 cards, 3 different designs, and you'll make 2 of each. Plus, you'll also get a bonus 3D project to make for Valentine's Day. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Calypso Coral, and this is 2 1/4 by 4, but you could do 3 and get away with it. I'm going to bring in a plain piece of paper, so we are going to be doing some embossing. And I'm just going to rub this down with my embossing buddy. And then I have the Versamark ink pad. And then from the Sure Do Love You, we are going to be using You're My Valentine Every Single Day. I really love that. And this is mounted on block D. So we will ink this up. And then place it down. And that looks good. And then I have my gold Stampin' Emboss powder. That looks really good. Alright, so we'll pour this back in the container. And we'll go ahead and bring in our heat tool. And we'll get that warmed up. Now, Sure Do Love You is my featured stamp of the month. So if you order this stamp this month, you will get exclusive gifts from me. You'll get materials to make 6 cards, 3 different designs, 2 of each, and then you'll also get a bonus 3D project. Alright. Now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I'm using the coordinating framelits. They are the Lots to Love box framelits. This is the first time I'm using these, so bear with me. Alright, so we'll put this down and then cut that out. And then run it through. Alright, and that is all that we are using Big Shot for, so let's get this out of the way. And we can start putting this card together. So I have a piece of powder pink, and this is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And I have a piece of Painted with Love Specialty Designer Series paper. This is cut at 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. I just absolutely love this. So I have the Calypso Coral sheer ribbon. And what I want to do is put it around here twice. So I'm going to get a piece of Scotch tape and pin this little guy down. And then I want it wider like that because I want to use a piece of the gold sequins as well. Tape that down. So just like that. So I have this gold mini sequin trim, and I'm just going to place it down, and then I'll put a piece of tape on both sides for that as well. Alright, so just like that. Now I'm going to bring in some fast views. And cut that tape a little too long, so I'm going to trim the edges right there. Okay, so let's put this down. Just like that. And then I have a piece of the gold foil sheet, and I think what I want to do is bring in the new sequin embossing folder. So hang on one second. Okay, so I'm going to put my card aside and bring the Big Shot back in. And this is the sequins embossing folder, and it's dynamic, so we only need one plate. And my gold strip is 3 3/4 by 3. Oh yeah, I really like that. Okay. So if we'll get that out of the way now, we will get some Stampin' Dimensionals in here. And we'll place our heart down with 3 Stampin' Dimensionals. And let's see. Yeah, I like it like that. And then we will pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals as well. right, and we will place that right there. So here is a quick and simple Valentine's Day card. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!